Well, tonight is steak night. They should be thawed and ready to go. Ribeyes. Oh wow. It's like already separating from the fat. Oh my god, they're gonna be so tender. And look at that marbling. Wow, that marbling. That is gonna be the best part of this steak, I'm afraid. They're all gonna be good though. Steaks. Let's turn our handy dandy light on and get our electrical skillet. You cool? I need more space. Wait. Yeah, we're good. Truck's on. Accidentally unplugged my microwave. No! Ah! Don't shock yourself. There we go. Alright. Yeah, cook these medium. They're pretty freaking big. There's my hand. I think I can only eat one tonight. So, we'll see. I'm thinking like $3.50 or $4.25. I'm wanting to do medium rare, so I'm not gonna cook them that long. This probably needs to be wiped with paper towels. I think that's just scratches. Set it down for a minute. I'll wipe the lid. Well, I tried. And then it needs butter. Need more butter. Release the butter. Ah! That's a lot of butter for one steak. Yeah, I use a small one. Or I got an idea. We will use like half of it. Shit. Some really sticky butter. Why? Cut it. Look how sticky it is. That's good though. That means it's got a lot of fat in it to the point where it will taste yummy. And then we'll save the rest of the butter. I'll put it on top of the ribeye. We're really gonna butter the sucker up. Got their butter. And let's take the knife and then cut the ribeye. Release the ribeye. Ah. Why are you being so difficult? Just grab it. Oh my God. No. I don't want to just grab it. Because of COVID. God. Oh, look how delicious it looks. Mmm. Okay. Now I need to get some seasonings. Some salt and pepper, perhaps. Oh. Nowhere to be found. I got salt. What do we have here? Oregano. Oh, I don't need no stinking oregano. Aha. Garlic. We don't need no stinking garlic. I'm seriously not going to be able to find pepper. That's like the most lemon. This is not fish. I'm coist, I tells you. I think I got you. No. No, scorpion hot sauce. Hell no. I don't want to waste the steak, but I do love the sauce. But it's not worth ruining a delicious $15 ribeye. I can't believe I can't find pepper. This is stupid. Really. Oh, there it is. Pepper. That's it. Meanwhile, you just chill right there. Horse. Yeah. We put some salt on it. And of course some pepper. Yummy. And well, let's see what the bottom is looking like. I don't know. I guess. Let's do the butter. Oh yeah, rub that butter in. Oh yeah. And then I gotta see. That was the weirdest sneeze ever. I had to make sure to blow it away from the damn steak. It's that pepper. The pepper got the best of me. So we need more. And a wee bit of salt. And that should be it. I'm gonna say once the pink disappears, I'm gonna cover it up and turn off the heat. And then let it, you know, slow cook itself. And then consume it and it'll be delicious. And hopefully medium rare. It's looking yummy. Looking yummy indeed. Oh. I like how the butter's just like melted into the cracks and crevices of the meat. Oh man, that's gonna be such a juicy, tender, delicious bite. I remember steak guys saying, whatever you do, do not touch the steak. Just leave it alone after you cook it. But man, I am getting so tempted, I can't help myself. Ah! But let's have a look, shall we? See what the bottom looks like. Oh, bottom looks perfect. Maybe I shouldn't. I'm gonna soak it in these juices. Yes. Oh man, look, it's like already falling apart. That's how tender it is. I'll soak it. Soak it in more of the juice. I can't resist. I'm going in. And do not laugh at my rainbow cutlery. I am not gay. It looks cool. There's nothing wrong with it. That's it looks yeah, that looks medium rare. Sure does. This part's oh my god. Oh my god. It's so delicious. I'm not sure about this coloration. I mean, yeah, that is medium rare, because, you know, if it was rare, it would be pink on the outside too. Oh my god. That's so beautiful looking. Well, I'm gonna eat this sucker.